For years, the job of government in Wales was to protect. Protect what matters. Protect our NHS. Protect our communities. Protect the services people rely on. Because Wales faced enormous challenges. Austerity from Westminster, Brexit disrupting our economy, a global pandemic putting huge pressure on public services. And through all that, we protected Wales. But now we're in a different moment. For the first time in years, Wales has the chance to stop firefighting and start building its future. A new First Minister, a new generation of Welsh Labour candidates, and a UK government finally willing to invest in Wales. So this isn't about going back. It's about moving forwards, from holding things together to building something better. More jobs, stronger public services, and real security for working families. You can already see what the future looks like. New clean energy projects across Wales, thousands of new jobs, investment in the industries of the future. Welsh Labour's vision is clear: an energy-independent Wales. Clean energy produced right here at home, lower bills for families, good jobs in every part of the country, and a lifelong retraining guarantee so Welsh workers can gain the skills they need as industries change. But fairness isn't just about the future economy. It's about the things people feel every day. Cheaper bus fares across Wales, more childcare to support working families, new hospitals and same-day mental health support. That's what fairness you can feel means. Real progress in everyday life. This election is about what happens next. Who has the experience and the plan to deliver Wales's future? Wales is turning the page, moving from protecting what we have to building what comes next. A new chapter for Wales. Fairness you can feel.